Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make many Telegram accounts, unlimited in fact. So if you open Telegram, you can only have 3 accounts at the same time per app. So the key to having unlimited accounts is you can buy Telegram Premium and add a lot of accounts to save you the trouble. But I have found a way that can bypass that. So what we want to do is we're going to search for our Telegram on our PC right here. We're going to right click this. We're going to press open file location. Then once you arrive to the folder, you're gonna press right click again. Then you're gonna click open file location. Hold up, it's not showing. There we go. Open file location again. Then we're gonna create a shortcut here, right here. You can name it TG2 for your second, but mine's the third, so I'm gonna name it TG3. It's not really important. Then after that, we're just going to Control X right here. Then we're going to our C folder. Find your C folder here. You're just gonna click it, and you're gonna make a folder named TG folder. To make a new folder, you just select right click, then new, then folder. Then you're gonna name it TG folder. Go here, make a folder. So I'm gonna make a folder here. I'm gonna make my third folder. I mean second folder in fact. So TG3 right here, and then we're gonna click this. Then we're going to paste it our shortcut here. Then we're gonna copy our directory. We're going to TG3, press properties. Then after that, we're gonna click the app, okay? The shortcut, I mean. Properties in the shortcut. It's not doing anything for me. Hold up. We're gonna click this, okay? Properties, there we go. It worked finally. Then you're just gonna go to target here. You're